In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your permanently disabled Facebook account. If your account has been disabled and you don't know what to do, don't worry. This method can help you contact Facebook and request a review. To begin, open any browser on your phone or computer and search for Disabled Facebook Account Recovery. From the search results, look for the official Facebook Help Center and open it. Once you're on the page, scroll down until you see the section that says, "Was this helpful?" Here, select No, and then choose This solution doesn't work. After doing that, a message box will appear. This is where you can contact the Facebook support team directly. In the message box, you'll need to write a request explaining your issue. You can simply say something like, "Hello Facebook team, I need your assistance to recover my disabled Facebook account." Then, include important details like your Facebook email address, phone number, username if you remember it, and a contact email where Facebook can reach you. Make sure all the information you provide is correct, so Facebook can verify your account bisuhula. Once everything is filled in, submit your request. After that, Facebook will review your case and send you a response to your email with further instructions. Keep checking your email regularly and follow their instructions carefully to increase your chances of getting your account back. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and useful tutorials.